Oh yeah. How do you come after that? She must have something great, quality product. I guess I've got that. Okay. If there's anything that I want you to leave these doors remembering is the name Red Ochre. So on 3, I want everyone to say Red Ochre. 1, 2, 3.
Red Ochre!
That's exactly what I want. Nothing more. So what you going to remember?
Red Ochre!
What are you going to remember?
Red Ochre!
Cool. By show of hands, who's ever owned a bag? Who's ever owned a bag? Ever. Who's ever in your life have you had a bag? A bag. Even a checkers shopping bag with a book in a bag. Have you owned that before?
Yeah, checkers.
Cool. And those with your hands down, I don't know what rock you've been living under, but welcome to society. Nice having you here. Out of those guys who said they've had a bag before, who's ever had a bag that they really loved? Like, one of those, even the guys, you had that bag that you felt like the man. Step aside, it's temper time. That bag? Out of those guys who said they've ever loved a bag, who still has it now? 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you use it?
Yeah.
Use it. You guys need a better product. To the rest of you guys, if you don't have a bag that's the last, then you definitely need a Red Ochre bag. I guarantee it'll last you just about a lifetime. I need you to hear this.
They're awesome.
Thank you. I don't know. Anyway. They can last you a lifetime. We'll repair them or touch-ups anytime. And because this is the hookup dinner, just because the hookup dinner, anyone who orders a bag within this month, I'll give you 10% off and I'll fix a bag for the rest of your life.
No.
For free. Just because it's the hookup dinner. And if you buy it this month, promo code. Are you recording this? You can play it later. Okay. So whoever wants a Red Ochre bag, actually, who still uses the bag today? Who still uses the bag today? Today, like in your everyday life. The rest of you, what do you do? Okay. Well, those with your hands up, you definitely need a Red Ochre bag because it'll be the last bag you buy and it'll last your lifetime.
That's about to give away.
Confidence will take you far. Trust me. Oh, and he wanted to donate, or he wanted to sponsor a wallet to the winner of the pitch tonight, and he wins. you see what generosity takes you. I think. Fair up to that. Hoping to share out the prize.
Because it's the things, the price is quite straightforward, guys. It's 2,000 cash prize. He's getting well done. He's pitched before. The whole story is nice. It's all good.